Welcome to our channel, Mathematicians.
Assalamualaikum students, so here we are with the part 2 of the topic square root using prime factorization. So the question is square root 7 whole number 9 upon 16. When we will convert this mixed fraction into the simple fraction, so it will come like this, 121 upon 16. So 121 is a perfect square of 11, means 11 is the perfect square of 121. In simple words, 11 multiplied by 11 is equals to 121. And 16, so 4 is the perfect square of 16. So 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. So what you can do over here is, you can simply write 11 multiplied by 11 and 4 multiplied by 4. Now these are coming 2 times, so you will only write it once and with the power 2, or you can call it as a square. So now the square root will be cancelled by the square, and this will also be cancelled. So now our final answer will be 11 upon 4. Now we are having our fourth question. So square root 9 whole number 67 upon 121. So it will come, means that when you will solve this mixed fraction, it will come into this form. So now again it is coming 1156. So you can see this number and this is coming 11. So what is a perfect square that comes? So they're near 11. So it is 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9. So it comes 11 comes after 9. So we can just take 30 multiplied by 30 and it will come 900. And we can take 40 multiplied by 40, which will be 1600. So it comes in the middle of somewhat in the middle of this range, 30 and 40. So we can just check it using first of all, we can multiply 33 with 33 to check that whether this number we will get or not. So 3 3s is 9 and 3 3s is 9. Then again 9 and 9. So 9 will come as it is, and 9 plus 9 is 18. And 1089 is coming. So it is a smaller number than 1156. So we can try a greater number like 34 and multiply it twice. So 4 4s is 16 and 4 3s is 12 and 1 plus 30. Again we will do the same thing. 3 4s is 12. So you'll one carry, and 3 is 9 and 10. So what we will get now is 3 plus 2 5 and 1 and 1. So it is coming exactly 34 multiplied by 34 is 1156. We are having perfect square of 34. So 34 is the perfect square of 1156. So we will write 34 over here. Means in simple terms that 34 will be multiplied twice. So we will get 1156, and 11 will be multiplied twice. So we will get 121 as our answer. Now what you will do that these are coming twice, so you will only write it once and put a square as a power of it, and the square root will be cancelled by the square. Again same procedure. So 34 divided by 11 will be the answer of this question.
Like, share and comment, and hit the bell icon to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.